Si Shiba, pakita mo na. Dali na. Dali na! Ay. Okay, game. One, two, three, go. Yung ganun lang. Ipakita mo lang. Sinatawa niya kasi kanina. Kung kita ba yung labi ko sa front view?
Gano'n yung view.
Hindi mo nakita, be.
Amazing. Nakastop lang mo din.
Anyway, thank you po sa Grammy. Yeah, thank you sa Grammy and Rolling Stone Korea feature. Woo! Thank you rin Sir James sa plastic balloon.
Big deal yan. Pwede sabihin si Aya. It's a big deal.
Thank you. Oh, grabe no guys, na-feature tayo sa Grammy.
Thank you po. Akala ko ma-joke lang.
Akala ko rin. Kasi may ganap tayo na nung sinabi, tapos biglang book siya nakita nga natin. Tsaka knowing na parang tayo nga na yung Filipino group, so parang sobrang big deal. Hindi. Sinasabi ko lang, nire-recognize natin kasi it's really a big deal.
Uy, 4 a.m. daw dun sa Canada.
4 a.m.?
pa po kayo. Or maaga ba kayo?
Or patulog pa lang.
Patulog ba?
Oo.
I saw this sa mannequin. Ang ganda. Hindi ko rin siya na-fit. Pero ang ganda. And to match with that... Sorry! Papakita niyo ba yan? Oo, para alam nila na, oh my, expensive ng panty ni Aya. Hindi basta-basta. I did not get one. I got two. I got a top.
Mas makapal mo yung kilay ko dito. Manipis kilay ko ah. Mas makapal mo yung kilay.
At 18.
Fun fact kay Ate Aya, humihina po yung boses niya. Like, alam niyo po ba? Ganon siya. Ano?
Kaya kami, palapit ng palapit habang nagkukwento siya.
And then to, like, you know. Yeah, right? Like, when I go to the mall, like, I went to. So when you listen to her, like, yeah, so that I can magnet everyone. Just like that. That's the fun part.
May rambutan, oh. Lychee daw. Rambutan to sa amin.
Yung lamig tumutusok sa aking organs.
Hindi mo ba alam na dati akong packer?
Oh, you're a mother packer na nga now.
Ang tagal po ng biyahe. Hindi ko in-expect. Kasi di ba, pag narinig mo yung Las Vegas, Los Angeles, ano yung parang magkalapit lang sa parehong L.
It's a party in the USA!
First honor.
Sabi ko, react naman ng princess. We went to Baguio to buy strawberries cheesecake from New York. Ate Aya, pakita mo yung...
So good that I finish it bone to bone.
What food is the best? Sorry? What food is the best? Food? Yeah. No. What seafood?
And we're gonna be running fever in this very small cage. Very small space.
We're gonna perform outside.
Wow! We love surprises.
Ubus na ubus ng English.
So amazing! The pigeons is flying like this?
Pero kumakanta sa gilid, so kailangan mas magaling kami sa kanya.
One we discovered here in LA, so let's go. Nakakapala ko na yung mukha ko. I'm not Sheena. I'm not Sheena today. I am Shadow.
One by one.
Oh, okay. Go, Mix.
We can go first.
Can I see?
Meme ba yan? Mika bias. Your bias is Mika.
Gandang meme.
Ako, I'll find a better meme.
I just do this a lot when I make mistakes.
No, grabe. Ang ganda ng meme na yun.
No, go, baby, go.
I wanna see it first before.
Ginagamit ko pa rin yan eh.
I love your facial
I use that a lot.
there, Gwen.
So this is one of our wish bus. Saan ba to? BGC? In the Philippines. Taguig. Yes, and I actually can't remember anymore.
Parang someone was asking for a photo.
An autograph, yes. And then they suddenly shouted like,
Your name.
Gwen, ang ganda mo! That's the backstory.
Hindi pala.
I don't really remember.
Birthday mo.
Yeah, I think, I'm on a live stream here, and it's either I was copying the Beanie members' mannerisms, or I was confused what the Bloom sent me. Yeah.
Mine is this. I remember this. I posted this on Twitter.
That's not even a meme.
And it's not a meme. I just said that. I just said that. Thank you, Blooms. I'm so grateful like that. Yeah.
So grateful like that.
Why that's a meme?
No, I know that one.
I don't remember
Okay.
anything.
No, we had.
What's in that
We had
Recording.
a recording
We were recording Carrera.
recording studio. No.
Carrera.
We're at a recording studio. We're recording for Tala Arawan. Well, I forgot the song, but we're doing something on the iPad.
Carrera era.
Karaoke behind?
Yeah. Yeah. And then I was doing something on the tab, and then you're looking at me like that.
Pa-bebe.
Yeah.
Say ooh.
No, I posted this as a greeting for your birthday. Yeah, mine is this.
What's that? Ah, the iconic. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is from Inside Out, and they call me Anger all the time
Because you're always mad.
Yeah, I'm always.
That's her.
Yeah, that's me.
That's just what?
You, I know that's Sean.
Go.
Oh my God, I want that.
Yeah, this is my alter ego. Everyone, US, Blooms, are you ready for this? This is Sean.
Oh my God, early in the morning.
Meet Sean.
Oh, yeah.
No, because I was also live streaming that time, and I didn't know what to do, so I said, at 100K.
Diamonds.
No! There's no diamonds. I just covered the camera. Like, they were so confused. What's happening? And when I opened, may na background music na. I was like that to the
That was
camera.
early. This live is early in the morning, and she knocked on my door. I knocked on my
Can I
door.
borrow?
No! Niligawan. I was courting her because the Blooms told me
I
to
just
court
woke
her.
up. She had this teddy bear.
Chocolate!
Ate Colette.
With this look.
Yeah, that's Sean.
Can I have that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm curious what's mine. I knew it.
What's that?
This is what I think Joanna or Stacy showed inside the plane. I'm sorry about the
The caption, the Bloom's caption, you're so cute.
Oh my god!
Bloom mo tayo.
Not.
This is a different kind of note, not this, please. Yeah, I was doing a live stream as well, and I feel like I was looking at the comments, and I maybe did not agree to some of the comments. But then there was one instance wherein we were inside the plane, and Joanna had this on her phone and showed it to everybody. We're like,
Para kung kinagat ng bubuyog dyan. Can I have that? Thank you.
Yes, so Blooms, you can follow us on all our social media accounts, Beanie_PH and Beanie Official on YouTube, and you can stream our new single, Cherry on Spotify. Thank you! Better leader! Can we switch today?
Can you be the leader, Bebe? Sabi na kanina.
Kumain ka na?
Hindi po. Parang okay naman pala siya.
Okay naman pala siya eh.
Hello girls, sinama ako ni Kuya kasi nahihiya siya pumunta mag-isa.
Hi! Bini ko ulit. Para sa kanya lang to. Okay, one ka ha. What can you say to him?
Thank you po. Pero 8 po kami kumanda ng karera. Thank you po.